In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Following that, click on App Settings at the top, select Most Recent, and tap on the best option for you: Most Recent, Most Frequent, All Apps, or Turned Off. I will go with All Apps. Now just click on the blue switcher next to an app from which you want to block notifications. I will go with Files. You can switch them back on by choosing the same No Gray switcher. You can also just tap on one of your apps located on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!